Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to your next mission, Building in 3D. In this mission, we'll be developing 3D models in Tinkercad and printing some of them, such as a bubble toy, a phone holder, a boat, a wiggly snake, animal models, and more. We'll learn about the 3D printing and 3D design processes. 3D printing is done by melting plastic and then adding very small layers one on top of the other in specific places until you have built your object. 3D design is creating and combining shapes to create complex objects. I will show you my models, but you encourage you to choose a theme that makes sense to you and make it your own. Everything will be developed inside Tinkercad, and most of the models will then be printed for you to take home. Let's get building.